This is the elevator here at Nordstrom at Cherry Hill Mall in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. It's a Schindler HT, as you can tell. The store opened in 2008 on the site of the former Strawbridge's and has a vandal resistant call button, but a regular lantern. Oops, I don't know if I got that going off or not. 2. One. Here you have your basic Nordstrom elevator. This one is remarkably similar to the one at Christiana, even though I've never been on it. As you can tell, it's a Schindler HT. And we'll end the tour on 2. Actually, no, we'll take it down to 1 and end it. So that way I can get over to Macy's. Going down?
Are you going up?
I'm just going down.
Yeah, if I could go up, I'd be crying right now.
Is it broke?
No. This is just a hobby that I have. I'm on YouTube. I take videos of elevators and I put them up on YouTube. This one is a Schindler from 2008. Runs fine, but I'm not a big fan of Schindler. Go ahead. All right, ring the bell. There it goes, and that's it.